Ungumania wa mabilioni ma mbeca uria urekũĩrwo gũtabanio rũhonge-inĩ rwa wendia wa ndawa bũrũri-inĩ KEMSA nĩ ruete mwerekero ũngĩ thutha wa riboti kuonania rwahota gũthiĩ hathara ya makĩria ma ciringi bilioni 6. Ũhoro ũyũ wĩyumĩrire rĩrĩa kamĩtĩ ya mbunge ya bũrũri ĩgiĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ĩtongoretio nĩ mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wayo Sabina Chege ĩkinyire wabici-inĩ cia KEMSA Embakasi gũthuthuria ngukumio ĩrĩa ĩgũmĩire rũhonge rũrũ. Magĩthiĩ na mbere gũthũrima indo cia kũhũrana na COVID-19 iria cigĩtwo makũmbĩ-inĩ ma rũhonge rũrũ, abithaa ũmwe wa KEMSA nĩoigire makũrĩirwo maitho nĩ hathara ya ciringi makĩria ma bilioni 2 nĩ kwaga thoko, no kamĩtĩ ya Chege nĩ ĩreganire na ũhoro ũcio.
But KEMSA, out of their own wisdom, which we are trying to figure out at what point they arrived at the figure of buying things, goods worth 7.1 billion, anticipating because of the numbers and the world figures that were happening on COVID, that they'll be able to buy those items and sell them with their own resources, not what was allocated by the ministry. The difference between what was total number of procurement was 7.1, what they have managed to sell is around 1 billion, so they are having stock worth around 6 billion in the warehouse.
Chege nĩongereire hathara ĩno ĩcũngĩrĩirio nĩ arũgamĩrĩri a KEMSA gũthiĩ mũgarũ na bajeti ya ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ na kũgũra indo nyingĩ cia kũhũrana na COVID-19.
So they said it was coming from the head office. So what we also want to find out is whether there was a team or there was a committee that was sitting to make these decisions. And of course we can be able to verify that because every meeting there are minutes. So we will be able to look at the minutes and see whether there was a decision that was made and maybe the targeted numbers of what was anticipated and what advised them to buy up to the level that they did. KN95, that the KEMSA was buying it at 700 shillings and selling it at 735. We are all aware from May the market flooded and so the prices have gone down. So they overprocured. And so the prices currently are low as 250 in the market. Them they're selling at 735, so who is going to buy?
Kamĩtĩ ĩno nĩ yorotete arũgamĩrĩri a KEMSA nĩ ũndũ wa gũtũmĩra mĩtaratara ĩna ũcuke ũgũri-inĩ wa indo ici.
A third category of items that have been received by KEMSA in these warehouses, they have not negotiated with the suppliers and also they have not been paid. So that's part of the verification investigations we are doing to try and understand this reverse procurement. It is also difficult for us to tell them sell the dead stock because some of the items even that are here in the warehouse are not negotiated. So really, we cannot tell that the loss is 1 billion or 2 billion because it's not even negotiated.
Ungumania thĩinĩ wa KEMSA nĩ ũtũmĩte abithaa anene kũrũgamia wĩra ũthuthuria ũgĩthiĩ na mbere, ũtongoretio nĩ kamĩtĩ ya kũhũrana na ungumania EACC, na kamĩtĩ ĩno ya mbunge nĩ yugĩte ĩrathiĩ na mbere na gũtabania icera kũndũ gũtiganĩte nĩguo kũhithũria maingĩ megiĩ ngukumio ĩno.
Tomorrow we'll meet with the management once again. We'll meet also with the suspended managers also tomorrow in the afternoon. And also with PPOA because there are some issues we really need to understand on this reverse procurement that was done by KEMSA. And especially on the people who have supplied, the items are here. They have not negotiated. So at what price are we talking about now with the current market prices? So that's one of the biggest dilemma. And would be wanting an explanation from the management.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Njeta Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.